Hey guys, Scope Scripter here, back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a daily reward in Roblox Studio. So first, you're going to insert a screen GUI into starter GUI, and inside the screen GUI you're going to insert a frame. I'm going to make the background color blue, and with a plugin called UI Design Light, I'm going to make this rounded. And inside this frame, I'm going to insert a text button, and I'm just going to scale it like this, and I'm going to make the text collect daily reward, and I'm going to scale the text, and I'm just going to change the background color to 1. Actually, no, I'm going to change the background to 0.5, and this looks pretty good, but now we actually have to start scripting it, and we might want to add some cool effects. So first, inside the frame, I'm going to insert an image label, and this image, I'm going to change the image to a treasure chest for obviously the daily reward, but it does not let you change the image on an image label unless you publish the game. So if the game is published, it lets you change the image. So I'm going to publish the game, and then I'm going to go back in properties, find image, and then I can do add image, choose file, and then it opens up your computer's files, and you can search through it. So let's see. I'll take this one, and let's just wait for it to load in. And we have a treasure chest icon thing right here. And I don't really like that white background, so I'm going to change the background transparency to 1, and this actually looks pretty good. But now we actually have to make it work. So inside your text button, you're going to insert a script, and you're going to write script.parent.mousebutton 1 click, and then connect function. And then you're going to do script.parent.parent destroy, and then above destroy you're going to enter down, and we're going to write currently if you join this game, all it'll do is it'll destroy this frame, but that's not what we want. We want it to also give a daily bonus. So inside starter GUI, we're going to insert another screen GUI, and we're going to call this money UI, and inside this we're going to insert a text label, and this will be our money. So inside text, I'm just going to change the text to scale. I'm going to change this to $0. And let's go back inside our daily reward script, and we're going to change, and right on this line, we're going to write script.parent.parent.parent.money, script.parent.parent.parent.moneyui.textLabel.text equals, and then the amount of money we want to give. For me, it'll be 100, and then just the $sign right here. So $100. And this will give the player $100 up here. And if we want to make it have a cool effect, like a treasure chest sound opening or a ka-ching, I'll show you how to do that. So I'm just going to search up ka-ching. I'm going to take one. I'll take this one. And inside my script, I'm going to do right above destroy game.workspace.ching :play. And what this will do, you'll press the button, it'll say ka-ching, and then this will change to $100, and this frame will disappear. So let's test that out. So you enter the game, this appears, and there it goes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If this helped you out, please subscribe and like the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.